Hey guys, in a previous video, I replaced the rubber seal on the camshaft cover, and I did not think at the time to replace the O-ring on the camshaft position sensor, which is located here on the back. I'm replacing the O-ring number 13. If you have a faulty camshaft position sensor, then it will come with a new O-ring. Honda models listed in comments. You have to remove the air housing assembly, which I have done already. And if you have a Jazz or Fit, you need to remove the cowl and cowl cover panel to get access to it. I have the sedan version, so I have enough space. I did remove the throttle body off to the side also, just to give me a bit more room. I've explained how to remove all of this in the same video where I replaced the camshaft seal. Timestamps are included in that. There's a 10mm bolt holding the sensor, and I already cracked it loose off camera. I left the connector in so I could pull it out with it. Do not pull from the wire.
A few minutes later.
This is the camshaft position sensor. I wasn't able to take it out with my left hand, so I had to change over to the right, and I had to remove the camera that was in the way. This seal isn't leaking, but the camshaft cover seal, which I replaced before, was. So it's a matter of time before this also leaks. This could be the weak link, so that's why I wanted to replace it. Once one seal goes bad due to age, the others are not far behind. Coat this new O-ring with some clean engine oil. Now the hard part, to get this back in. I've connected the connector back in. That should help me guide this in.
One eternity later.
I had to put it in again off camera. This bolt is already in and it is torqued to 12 Newton meters. That concludes the video. Massive pain to replace. All the seals on this side have now been replaced. So the O-ring, which I just replaced, the camshaft cover seal, and the VTEC solenoid seals, which I have already shown in previous videos. As always, guys, thanks for watching.